Hi, good morning everybody. This is Wayne from INTECH and Print and Connect Online, and we're here at the IST UV Open Days in Nürtingen in Germany. This is day one, and I'm delighted, our very first interview of this trip, to introduce you to Holly Steedman. She's Business and Technology Director for IST INTECH. Holly,
Hi.
really good to see you.
Nice to see you.
It's the first time we've ever done this. First time we've ever done a face-to-face interview like this.
We do know each other, but it's the first time doing an interview.
And
yes.
no glitz yet.
No glitzy shoes. I've just got my IST shoelaces
Oh, right,
instead
okay.
today.
Holly, I mean, we've only been here for about an hour and it's just started. Very, very busy. This is the 12th IST UV days.
Yeah, I think that's correct, yes.
What was the idea behind them launching this event? I mean, obviously to drive UV curing, but...
Yeah, they wanted to basically a platform to bring their partners together and their customers together in one place, you know, to bring the latest technology to the focus of them, but also a meeting point, and networking is a huge part of this. You'll see later in the Weindorf, the wine village, also the networking is a huge part.
Networking in the wine village, that sounds good.
But also the technology is a real focus.
Yeah, of course. So there's conferences over the next 3 days and 40 plus exhibitors.
Yes.
So you're here representing IST INTECH. This is an IST METS event.
Yeah.
Do you want to just tell us a little bit about the differentiation between METS and INTECH?
So we're sister companies.
Right,
So we're all part of the METS group. So IST INTECH is a sister company of IST METS, and we're the UV LED curing specialists.
Right, okay.
Our main focus is on digital printing applications,
Right.
But obviously there's some crossover with technology, so we work very closely with our sister company IST METS,
Right, okay.
and their subsidiaries also around the world.
Right, okay. So you sell the equipment globally, do you, from IST INTECH? Right, okay.
So that could be direct. Most of our business is OEM business, so machine builders.
Right.
But also with the METS group, with the METS network, but also our products are going into other applications integrated by METS or their sister companies also. So
Okay.
spread out across many applications all around the world.
So you're lucky to have a booth at your sister company's event.
Yes.
So what particularly are you showing this week on your stand?
So you heard the opening talk about, and one of the main focuses is smart gear.
Yes, of course.
So we also are working on AI and integrating that into our platform, but also how to make basically ultimately a plug and play LED system. So if you're an OEM and you want to integrate our lamp into your printer, there's some work that needs to be done usually. You know, you have to write some code, maybe, depending on what you want to control. You have to obviously control the intensity and signals, turning it on and off. So our goal is basically to decrease that integration time, and basically, using Ethernet ultimately is our goal, that someone can just plug it in like you would your home printer.
Yeah.
Plug it in and it's recognized by the network, and then they can get up and running. So we're showing our UV Smart Connect system, which is basically the controlling that by these means, and looking to the future. So we want to be future ready.
So we saw in the opening presentation that the AI will be stepping in to reduce power consumption.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, obviously LED units are constantly running at 100% power. So the AI units are going to fluctuate the power to the lamps?
So yeah, the same principle. So we have our modules which are 30mm segments, and most people at the moment just turn it on and off. But if you imagine you're running a print job through this, and obviously print job could be a different width, so that then could adjust the width of the width of the actual LEDs that are turned on. But also, what's important is also this learning process of how much dose and intensity is needed, and creating basically a database of that and feeding that in, learning. So smart, and then saying, okay, actually that ink doesn't need that high dose, so I can reduce it, which also reduces the energy.
Okay. And obviously reduces power and cost.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, so ultimately we also want to be, moving forward with our OEMs. What they need is important for the future. So
Well, it was only a matter of time before AI got into LED curing as well, or UV curing. So, well, Holly, as ever, it's great to see you.
Thank you.
I'm sure you're going to have a great show, and I'm sure we'll catch up soon.
Yeah.
All right,
Thanks.
good to
Thanks,
see you.
Wayne.
Good to see
Thank
you.
you.